Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through major talking points and features of this absolutely incredible X6 3-litre D Xdrive. And of course, I'll shortly make my way around. I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, and again just talk you through some of the interior features in a bit more detail. The vehicle itself is presented in the black sapphire metallic, and alongside that does feature an original BMW Mpeformance Kit in the shape of a carbon fibre kit itself, so I'll show you that all in a bit more detail. It does also have the optional extra 21-inch alloy wheels finished in the original satin by Orbit, and again I'll take a close-up look at those very shortly. At the front of the car you'll see it is a 2017 17 plate, and alongside that very eye-catching carbon fibre front splitter, along with the Mpeformance black kidney grills and the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. Moving on down the side of the car, first of all, giving you a glance at these very impressive 21-inch alloy wheels, which come with the Dunlop Tyres all the way around. And there you can see just how nice and clean and tidy they really are. Moving on further, again, to give you an overall condition look at this car, it is in very nice condition throughout. You'll also see it comes equipped with the sun protection glazing, along with a masses of other optional extras, all of which I'll try and point out to you. In terms of the interior, it comes with the black Dakota leather. In the front, we've got the electric movement, memory for driver's side, and of course the heated option. We've also got the superb Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7, and of course everything else we'll get through very shortly. However, the front seats are not the only thing to be heated in this car, which again I shall explain a little bit further on that shortly. So in the rear, thankfully you now get a 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench in the X6, unlike its predecessor which only was a 2-seat ISOFIX rear bench. You also get that lovely central folding armrest, and again all very clean and tidy, and a very spacious place as well. And as you can see down here, the rear seats in this model are also equipped with the heated seat option, so rear passengers can also enjoy that comfort as well. And again, showing you off the staggeringly impressive 21-inch alloy wheels once again, all very clean and tidy. At the rear of the car, again, thanks to the Mpeformance Kit equipped to this car, there's that lovely carbon fibre rear spoiler and diffuser, and the little aero canyards added onto the side, which are finished in the original black. You also get an automatic opening and closing tailgate, which reveals a very large boot space indeed, and as you can see there, and of course this cover does just flip back very nice and easily to reveal a very large boot space. Again, this is often a thing that is taken into consideration when purchasing a vehicle of this type, and the X6 really does have bags and bags of room. At the other side of the car, again, that black sapphire metallic really is in very nice condition on this car, as is the rest of the vehicle. And again, shortly in a moment, I'm going to hop on inside the car. First of all, start with, of course, getting the engine started and showing you around the other optional extras that this car has, which is absolutely tons of. We're going to climb on board. There is, of course, the memory controls I was mentioning. We've also got the power fold mirror function as well. We've also got extended storage, so we've got a bit more storage in this already very vast interior. We've got the very nice digital cockpit option as well, and of course I'll explore what that entails very shortly. In terms of your multimedia and navigation display, this vehicle comes equipped not only with the Professional, it's the Professional Plus. So this is all touchscreen, as you'll see very shortly. So if I begin with the navigation, as you can see there, I can simply touch the screen. This is useful for two reasons. Being that I can simply swipe across to find my destination, I can also tap in here to start my destination to that specific point, or even save that point as a favourite. Alternatively, if you're not a fan of touchscreens, don't fear, as they still provide you with the nice iDrive wheel down here with all of the corresponding buttons. Again, however, for this display I'm going to use the touchscreen because I do think it's a very user-friendly system. We've of course got Bluetooth audio and telephone, as you can see there on screen, and we'll go back and have a look at the multimedia systems. And in terms of your multimedia screen, you'll be able to see there that we've got DAB, music collection, and AUX inputs, including CD, DVD, USB, and of course the Bluetooth audio that I just mentioned. Going back across to My Vehicle, where of course we can check out the vehicle status and service history. The next service on this car is not due for 7,000 miles, and we do have BMW service history with the car. Again, it's a 2017 17 plate and has covered just over 30,000 miles. And again, I want to show you off this lovely digital cockpit in its fullest. As you can see, if I engage sport mode, we get a very nice red backlit display along with a huge digital speedo. And again, another optional extra for this car, we've got the heads-up display. Not only have we got the regular head-up display, we've also got the speed limit recognition display alongside that. So depending on what road you are, as well as your current speed, it'll also display the speed limit for that specific road, which is of course always very useful. Not only having that head-up display to make sure you're doing the right speed limit, alongside it will tell you what speed you should be doing as well. So down here I've mentioned that we've got front and rear heated seats. However, we've also got a heated multi-function M Sport steering wheel on this car, alongside having that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise and speed limiter, alongside voice and volume controls. So that is a look around this fantastic X6 3-litre D Xdrive. I do hope you've of course found it useful, and hopefully it'll help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, and as always I'll happily get back to you as soon as possible. For further information, please do check down below in the description, where as always I'll leave a link to the website along with a direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car. Thank you for watching the video. We hopefully see you soon. Take care. Goodbye.